generous people could be. Our community in which I lived, the 5 of us together in the house, we didn't have a lot of resources as volunteers. And here we were, it was myself and 4 other young women right out of college. We were in the middle of nowhere, Texas, and working in this school, pre-K through 8th grade, that had a lot of challenges. People were so giving to us and invited us to their quinceañeras and their fiestas and to dinner at their home, and they would give us bags of groceries. And I knew that the people were not coming from a situation of abundance, and yet they shared what they could because they saw that we could use it. So it was very much a two-way street. I learned so much there. I learned a lot also from living in community with the 5 of us together about what it meant to be supportive of one another and to share life together, to be more than just roommates, to share in the joys and the struggles and the difficulties, and to embrace that together instead of each person dealing with their own thing on their own.